So, we're about to go to Yanshui Fireworks Festival.
Arguably the stupidest thing we've ever done.
How do you feel right now?
Kinda hot.
Hot? Do you feel scared?
A little. I mean, we're going to a festival to get fireworks shot at us. It's usually a thing you want to avoid.
Yeah, why are we doing this?
To prevent cholera.
25.
Maybe 30 years. Man, yeah, good break.
We're going into that!
Are we about to go into like heavy fire?
I don't know. I think that looks pretty fucking...
Alright, I'm gonna
This
put
is
on my
Patrick.
sweatpants.
He's got a full face helmet, but he's wearing shorts. So good luck, Patrick.
My bag actually.
Oh, you straight.
Get your face off, buddy. Craziest thing I've ever done. And I've begun bungee jumping, I've hiked with leeches in the jungle. That is fucking crazy. Fireworks everywhere, it's an inferno, it's insane.
What are people doing? People are crazy!
Dude, this is fucking crazy.